All right, Holly, I know some kids are hoping for a snow day.
I know, mine were. We'll see. I mean, decisions are usually made within the next hour,
Right.
and there is still a lot of snow on the side streets, so we will, of course, let you know. We have a lot of snow that came down overnight. We still have winter storm warnings and advisories in place. These are going to expire today. National Weather Service, of course, in charge of that. They are due to expire midday at this point, but we could see these lift a little bit early depending on what the snow does, and it's going to be kind of a wait and see game because it's lake effect at this point behind the Clipper. We'll have chances for snow this morning. Temperatures are going to be steady in the 20s. It's 4:45 right now, and we do have some closings and delays up at the bottom of the screen, so make sure you're paying attention to those. As soon as they come in, you see them. There is no delay in that, so you can rearrange and reshuffle and do what you have to do right away. We know how hectic these mornings can be, right? So the snow is still happening, and it's pretty much steady through Lake and Geauga counties, parts of Cuyahoga County into Summit, and even Portage County at this time. Summit really seeing a good amount of snow. Southern Cuyahoga County, we're still seeing snow around Strongsville, and we're dealing with it in Akron as well. As we head a little further to the east, Geauga County's been seeing very steady snow from Chardon south into Bainbridge and Auburn. So it is going to require some extra time because it's just been a whole catch-up game as far as, you know, crews being out and keeping these roads safe, because the snow's been pretty continuous in spots overnight while you were asleep. Outside of the snow coming down, we've got a lot of overcast skies right now, but we are planning on seeing some sunshine before the day is through. It's not going to really help our numbers. We'll stay in the 20s, and it's still pretty breezy at this time with sustained winds from 15 to 25 miles an hour. So although temperatures are in the 20s, a lot of you feel like you're in the single digits and teens when you take the winds into account. Wind chills, at least for those of you in Sandusky, in Elyria, also in Mansfield, at 9 degrees. That's what it feels like. Feels like 12 in Akron, also in Worcester, and we're in the mid-teens downtown when you factor in the winds. That's cold. So you need the layers. You need to be smart about your drive today. As we look ahead to 7, 8, 9 o'clock this morning, snow showers definitely starting to fade pretty fast. And once they do, it's not that we'll take it out of the forecast completely, but I think that the chances will be much smaller into the afternoon. A passing flurry or light snow shower, sure. Otherwise, it will be a mix of clouds and sunshine. Kind of our little lull before our next system. Yeah, there's another one coming. In the meantime, though, partly cloudy skies tonight will allow temperatures to really drop, and so much so that we'll wake up tomorrow with single digits and teens. And then here comes the next system as we head into the first part of the weekend. I think what that's going to mean is some snow chances for your Friday, but not until later in the day. This is not going to impact your Friday morning commute. An inch or so is going to be possible with that. And then we are still planning on that weekend warm-up. We promised it, and here it comes. Upper 30s on Saturday. Lena, we're in the 40s on Sunday, which will really feel great. And there will still be snow on the ground because some areas have enough of it that it'll take some time to melt. What a great day that would be to get out and actually play in it because it'll feel good. 40s into next week.
The snow day ferry apparently hit Barberton as we were speaking.
I thought I just saw that.
Right, so Barberton City Schools closed. We'll see if any more come in, so stay with us.